My name is Annyatam Mukhopadhyay, and for my first Scientists in School presentation, I was in grade 4 for a rocks and minerals presentation from a Scientists in School presenter. Must have been so excited as a child to see the science just being demonstrated in front of me, having been used to reading so much about it in the books. I definitely feel that Scientists in School presentations have influenced me to perceiving that science can be such a cool thing to work with and learn about. I currently work for an engineering consultancy company pursuing cybersecurity for nuclear power stations. I was particularly drawn to it from the science and engineering education I had received, and Scientists in School really drew me towards the science aspects. Learning more about how nuclear technology is used in our world is a passion of mine, and I really think that anyone in this domain is truly amazed by the developments scientists and engineers make from day to day. Scientists in School is a big boon to elementary school students that come from so many backgrounds and understandings of how science is used and perceived. And it's a great service to see children see the fun side of science while being able to put the books in context. Given the challenges teachers face trying to give engaging scientific teaching to students, Scientists in School steps in and sparks that often life-changing interest for students, which I feel ultimately helps teachers, our education system, and ultimately our communities. It has been great to see Scientists in School being able to pivot to the use of new remote learning technologies to deliver the student workshop experience, a change that can often cripple a nonprofit organization. So I'm personally really happy to see Scientists in School being able to succeed against such odds. And I really hope that Scientists in School continues to succeed in its goal in delivering that science spark to students everywhere.